Hi everybody, bring you the videos of a medal that designed by Polymin and manufactured by Polymin, cooperate with the China sponsor. This is a lunar series medal. The first lunar they work on is horse, followed by goat. This is the third one, monkey. You see the two wording. This is Tongdao. It's a China sponsor name. This package is nicely designed. It comes with a wooden box package for the frame, and that is two medal, 70 mm. It's a solid wooden box, designed like a book. You can open it. You will see the design is quite outstanding. It's very different with the China medal, but in fact, they mix with the West and the East. The other side is over here. You can see it's a father and a baby monkey. And when you close it, two metal, the high relief will mesh together as one. This is the other side of a medal. Let me open it and show you. It's a 70 mm diameter. The medal is brushed. You can see clearly when two mix together, they are able to become a one medal. As you see, it's just nicely fit. The design is so brilliant. This is designed by the award designer in Poland, Anna. The mintage of this medal is 599. In fact, the actual mint is lesser than that. This is a Polymin certificate. Let me try to show you how to match it. Two metal, two face, and match it at one. As you see clearly, this is so nice. Hope your guys will love it.